Now you run the process. Click Save Changes and then click on the Start button. In this example, the process does not start automatically, but you can set up scheduling, and the task will be created on particular dates. To make the start of the process automated, for example once per month, you need to go to the grid with all the templates and set up the schedule after clicking the Save Changes button. Let's get back to our process and see how it looks like in Jira. The task for the chosen assignee has been created. Now we need to fill out the form. You can see how it adjusts depending on the answers and confirms the filled-in information thanks to the form logic. After that, the task comes to the approvers. If your Jira notifications are on, you'll receive an email with assigned task. When the task is run by all approvers, it will go into the done status, and the process is completed in our case. You can monitor the process run in the Process tab. Here you can see the progress, the due date, the assignee, and the name of the process. We have just set up a process template absence and vacation request. It will save your manager time to approve a vacation or a sick leave. Now you can customize other processes in your company to achieve maximum efficiency and focus on what really matters.